Well, it's a few days later, and it's 80 degrees here today. Got all some manure out of the manure pit again here today. It's Saturday, March 21st here today now. Gonna load up some manure and haul it out in the field. This 80-degree weather's nice, short sleeve weather. No need for coats no more. But it's gonna be 50 tomorrow, I think, again. But we'll take all this warm weather we can get. What I think is crazy is how fast we went from 2 degrees to 80 degrees with snow, and now we're windy and 80 degrees today. So let's get this manure spreader loaded up here, folks, on this beautiful spring day. First load is loaded. Let's go take it out to the field and unload. The alfalfa's starting to turn green, folks. Slowly but surely, it's starting to turn green. This field's going to get tore up here, but it's starting to turn green, folks. Looks like spring's on the way. Before long, we'll be planting. Load number 2 all loaded up of liquid manure out of the manure pit. Let's go take this out and haul it out in the field. Spreader's really nice. One more load should get this empty. Let's go get this hauled out so we can get one more load hauled out of here. And then I gotta clean out the calf barn bottom side of that too yet today. There's only one downfall of this manure spreader. This PTO shaft is way too short. The newer ones of these have this way back here, so the shaft comes back farther. And then they put CV joints in here. With this one, you go around the corner and it just rattles when it goes around the corner because there's no CV joints in there. Got the AC on in the tractor, folks, because it's 80 degrees out here today. Kind of crazy for the 21st of March to be 80 degrees, honestly, but we'll take every warm day we can get, because every warm day equals another less cold day. Going up the lane. Looks like there's still frost in here, but it's all frozen. That it's all wet, I mean. It looks like it's all wet there, that's why, because it's still frozen under there. Spreading. To the front. I don't know why that just stripped out, but I'll just hold it and then it'll come back forward. There we go, all the way back forward. Now we'll put the end gate down. Then we'll head back home. one more load of slop. Haul that down here over top of some other spot that's been hauled on once that's thin, just to cover it up. As we're getting down to less acres to haul on, so we just got to start doubling up hauling on the thin spots. Mostly cleaned out. Like a bucket full, like 2 bucketfuls left, which I'm not going to worry about because there's always more every day. Loading up what's in the cattle yard now, the sloppy stuff. Window's kind of dirty. Sloppy. Cleaning out the bottom side of the calf barn here now, folks. What do you think, nosy heifers? Especially you, 380, you're super nosy. Cabbies are outside while we're cleaning it out. This was a big snow pile this morning, folks. I spread it out and now it's mostly gone. Amazing how fast snow piles melt when it's 70 and 80 degrees in the daytime. Barn's all cleaned out. Load is full, so I'm going to take it out to the field, folks. Taking the last load of manure out to the field for today. Give her another gear. You can only go 17th gear up this hill. 18 gears won't make her. Don't got enough horsepower to make it up the hill with a full load of manure. Takes a lot of power to pull a full load of manure, that's for sure. When you got a full load behind you. Taking it out to the field here now. If you're wondering why it's rocking so much, it's because of the wheels are square. These are Goodyear tires and they get square, so they wobble. Heading down the road now, folks. Here at the field driveway now. Gonna turn off. And we'll take an unloader right here, folks. Foot throttle sticking. There we go. Gonna set you guys up out here quick and then unload this last load. If you're wondering how I control the camera, just use my nice phone here, connect with the camera app, and then I can click the record as soon as I get close enough to where I want to start recording. So hopefully that answers your questions on how I control my camera when I set it out in the middle of the field. Last load is all hauled. This field's mostly covered. Looks like one more load here, a few more loads down there, but we'll just start double coating stuff down here and over here because it's spread on pretty thin. We'll just spread another thin coat over it and then it'll be just about like what I hauled right here because I forgot to set back the speed, and yeah, I emptied it halfway across the field instead of all the way across the field, but whatever, it's gonna get moldboard plowed anyway, so thicker don't matter on this field because the plow will just bury it under 10 inches in the ground anyway. It's not like you're gonna rip it, then you gotta spread it pretty thin to not keep all that residue on top of the ground. Bootsy. He's like, I don't want that. Girls are all fed now. Got a couple dry cows here. These dry cows are getting closer to getting calves here one of these days. And the rest are heifers in here. About 30 heifers, and I think there's about 5 or 6 dry cows out here right now. If you're wondering what we're feeding them, some first crop hay silage and some 20-25 corn silage. Coming in to get their food. Telling you folks, 380's nosy. Get out of here, girl. Don't need to be in the hay shed. She don't need to be in here. Getting a couple hay bales for the freestall barn. Out of the hay shed. More nosy heifers. The bale that them 2 bales he took from here is 3rd crop, and these bales right here are 4th crop from 2025, and this is 1st crop from 2025, and that is some really old, I have no clue what year hay. We're feeding that to the heifers and the steers. Got some round bales in here. There's quite a pile of hay left here yet. That should make us till 1st crop, because we're gonna bale them, I think, all the 1st crop if we can. fresh bedding. Scraping the holding pen now. Holding pen is all scraped out and my dad's feeding the cows here now.